after many years of having good credit and living in my home for almost 20 years, I got in an auto accident. I got foreclosed on. I lost my house. I've been trying to get a new home or another home, and these folks from Better Qualified contacted me. What the banks did to me, and all my credits messed up. It was pretty bad. I'm really looking forward to having some help with these folks. They gave me some hope. I'm hoping that I can get my life back and my credit back straightened out and live again in a comfortable bed and another home. Lawrence O'Leary, disabled Vietnam veteran. With hope now, thanks to Better Qualified.